Hello guys, so I am here with my new video. This is my sixth video. If this video has come to you, please like, share and subscribe my channel Learn with Amreen. So I am here with the next part of the last video, which is the part 2. So here in the last video, due to some technical fault, the video was cut off from the middle. So today I'll explain you the rest of the part. I will start from the end of the last video, the pulmonary circulation. So there will be a recap. Okay, we started about the circulatory system. Quick recap. Okay, the circulatory system consisted of the primary organ and the one of the most important organ of our human body, the heart, which is near about 225 to 375 grams. I'm giving some key points and some key features. Please take a note. It has four chambers. Then the heart pumps blood for blood circulation. The blood pumps the heart near about pumps near about 5 liters of blood at a time. Understood? This is heart. Please take a note. The next point is blood. First was heart, next was blood. Blood is a connective tissue. It is a connective tissue liquid, which is primarily red in color due to the presence of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin. The hemoglobin acts with oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin, then carries oxygen to all parts of the human body. Then, so why the blood is red in color? Due to the presence of hemoglobin. The hemoglobin also contains iron. It is a primary element. It is also very important. Please take a note. Then blood, it is mainly composed of plasma and blood corpuscles. What is it? Blood corpuscles. Blood corpuscles refers to the part of the blood which contains cells, and it is a dense liquid. Plasma is a dense liquid which is yellow in color. What is it? It is yellow in color. If we hold the blood as 100%, then in 100% the plasma will be 90 to 92%. Take a note. The blood corpuscle is then again divided into three parts. Red blood cells, cells, which is RBCs, short form. Also, then white blood cells. I am not doing a quick recap. I am just I am telling you what I have explained in the last class, and I will explain each and every feature of that particular thing, and then I will explain the pulmonary circulation. Okay, in this video only. Red blood cell. Then we will continue with white blood cells. This short form is WBCS. Then platelets. Okay, it don't have a short form, but These three part things have one more name. The red blood cell is also called erythrocyte. Okay. Then the white blood cells are also called leukocytes. Leukocytes. Understood? Then the platelets. Platelets are also called thrombocytes. I will not write the function of each blood corpuscle. I will explain, I will dictate. You must listen or pause the video and then take a note. First, red blood cell. The function is it it contains hemoglobin which reacts with oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin. So the hemoglobin now contains oxygen. It now goes to each and every part of the human body and gives it oxygen, and the body part utilizes the oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. So then again the carbon dioxide mixes and reacts with hemoglobin and form carbino carbinohemoglobin carbinohemoglobin. It reacts like this and goes to the lungs for purification, and then the carbon which is or the carbon dioxide is removed from the hemoglobin of the deoxygenated blood, and then again it becomes oxygenated by the entrance of the gaseous exchange by oxygen O2. Then again the hemoglobin forms oxyhemoglobin. Like this the red blood cell helps us by transporting oxygen. Then white blood cells. The white blood cell also have it also have many types like T cells, lymphocytes, monocytes, etc. These actually the primary function of white blood cells is to fight against in foreign bodies and infections to prevent diseases. Okay, what it does, it fight against infections and foreign bodies to prevent diseases. Then platelets. What? Platelets, also called thrombocytes. These contain vitamin K. What it contain? Vitamin K. It is a vitamin, but it also contains a mineral in it, which helps in what? Actually, it is blood clotting. Blood clotting. Ing. Blood clotting. The primary function of platelet is to clot the blood. So the vitamin present in platelets which help for blood clotting is vitamin K, and the mineral present in platelets which help in blood clotting is calcium. Take a note, calcium. Its short form is or the symbol is Ca. Understood? Please take a note. Pause the video and take the note. So we have known the under blood that it contains plasma. It is plasma and blood corpuscle. Okay, done. Corpuscles. We have learned all the blood corpuscle, its function, how it works, and what is the percentage. So let me tell you now about plasma. Plasma is 92% of blood, and the rest is blood corpuscle. Means 100 minus 92%. It is actually 8% of the blood is our blood corpuscles. Understood? Now let me tell you that, sorry, there was an inconvenience. I was telling something wrong. The blood contains plasma, but plasma is just 55% of blood. Okay, plasma is just 55% of blood. Just this thing I have told wrong, just these two sentences I have told wrong. Please take a note and rewrite it and correct it. Plasma is 55% of the blood. Okay, so and so the blood corpuscles will be blood cells. I will not writing corpuscles. The blood cells will be then 45%, right? 45% of the blood. So this plasma is made up of 90 to 92% water. This I have told that plasma. Okay, understood. 90 to 92% of water makes up plasma, and the rest 8% is protein, amino acids, fats, glycerol, etc. Okay, understood? Take a note. Now, let me tell you that there were three main parts of the calculator system. First one, heart was discussed. Second one, blood is discussed. And the third one is blood vessels. What is it? Blood vessels. If you haven't seen the part 1 of my video, then better you would have to see this. Better I prefer you this video. In this video I have explained more better than that. So, blood vessels. Let me tell you, there are three blood vessels. No, I am not telling in this video because in the last video I have told. Go and check my last video. There will be explanation about all the three one. So let me tell you, all the three blood vessels, the arteries, veins and capillaries are the three blood vessels of human body. They have three layerings. Let me tell. There is I am drawing a schematic diagram. Let me tell you that if this is the outermost part, this is the middle, and this is the innermost part. Okay, the outermost part of the blood vessel of, or let me tell you that the three blood vessel of human body have the same three layerings, and the layerings have the same names for them. Okay, the outermost layer is called tunica adventitia. What is it? Tunica adventitia. Okay, tunica adventitia. The middle one is the outermost. Okay, out, I'm writing out. It is the outermost one. The outermost part of blood vessel is, the outermost layer of a blood vessel is tunica adventitia. The middle one is tunica media. What is it? Tunica media. It is the middle one, middlemost, or middle. It is the middle layer, and the innermost layer is called tunica intima. All right, take a note. Just take a note. The outermost layer is called tunica adventitia, the middle one is called tunica media, the innermost layer of the blood vessel is called tunica intima. Take a note. So now let me explain you pulmonary circulation. Okay, pulmonary circulation. So I think you people know about the systemic circulation if you have seen my last video. So in this video I will explain pulmonary circulation. I am writing a schematic. I am drawing a schematic diagram of a heart. This is the right atria, right ventricle. If you seen my last video, then you would definitely understand what is schematic diagram and what I am drawing. I'm still writing heart, left atria, left ventricle. I hope you understand. And here let me draw human body. HB, I am writing HB, but it is human body. Okay. So and I am drawing here lungs. This circle is lungs. Okay. So the left side of the heart always pumps what? Oxygenated blood. It pumps oxygenated blood to the human body. The human body will send the deoxygenated blood to the right atria of the heart through vena cavas. The right atria then open up into the right ventricle. Okay, right ventricle will pump this blood, this deoxygenated blood, into the lungs. What I have told you in the last video was the blood vessel which carries blood away from the heart is called artery. But artery generally transport oxygenated blood. But what about this artery? I'm sorry. What about this blood vessel, which carries the blood away from the heart but still carries deoxygenated blood? So, as per the rule of Oxford, as per the rules of biology, as per the rules and regulations of biology, so this will be an artery, because the blood vessel which carries blood away from the heart is a artery, always a artery. Whether it carries oxygenated or deoxygenated, they don't bother. They just bother that the blood should be carried away from the heart. And the blood vessel that will carry like this will be always an artery. So as it is a different artery, so it also have a different name. So it is called pulmonary artery. What it is? Pulmonary artery. Understood? And after oxygenation, the lungs as well sends the oxygenated blood to the what? Left atria. Left atria. So then it is carrying oxygenated blood but taking blood to the heart. What is this? It should be a vein, you know, because you should have this simple logic. We know the simple logic that veins carry blood to the heart and arteries carry blood away from the heart. So this blood vessel is carrying the blood to the heart. So first of all, this is a vein, but it is still carrying oxygenated blood, so this should have a separate name or a different name. So this is called pulmonary vein. What it is called? Pulmonary vein. I hope you have understand. If you haven't understand, then please make the video again. I mean, see the video again. From the part you haven't understand, see that part again. Okay. So for the pulmonary circulation you have understood. This is called pulmonary circulation. What it is called? Pulmonary circulation. The circulation of human body in which the blood is transported from heart to lungs and lungs to heart is called pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation. And one more circulation was there, that was between the heart and the human body, and human body to the heart is called systemic circulation. Systemic circulation. Systemic circulation. Circulation. Okay. So there are two circulation. So can we give a name to these two circulation in one? How can we call them at one? Because if we call them together, then it will be a very big name. So so the science have given him a separate name, which is double circulation. Because blood is circulating two times, so it is double circulation, obviously. Double circulation. In the next video, I will give you in the notes is the definitions and a real sketch of human heart. I will give you in the next video. Okay, so I hope you have understood, and I don't think that there is anything more left. So I everything I have discussed. So in the next video I will definitely tell you uh, I will definitely tell you about human heart again and again, and blood, some more about blood and double circulation and all the definitions. So till then, bye.